when you want to upload a photo to your Facebook personal account, if you just come to the main page of your account, so if you want to do that, you just click on where your name is next to the little circle with no face on it. You come to this page here, you just click skip, you click on where it says add photo, click on upload photo, your Explorer browser will come up, and you just navigate to the folder of the picture you want to upload. So I'm just going to go to my one here, Woke Insight, just give it a chance to upload it. Okay, so it may come up. So basically you're trying to fit the picture in this circle here, if you can see it. And what you want to do is if you want the whole thing to fit in as much as possible, just grab this dial here and just drag it to the left. Because my logo is perfectly circle, it will fit in there. But if your picture isn't, what you can do is you can just sort of zoom in and then just click and drag and try and just get the part that you want. But like I said, if you want to get just the very center of the image, just drag it back. And yeah, and if you hit edit, you'll be able to, just add some different changes, like these filters over here. You can add some text with whatever color you want. You can alter the text. You can add some stickers if you wanted. And then you click save or cancel in the bottom left hand corner. I don't want to add anything. Are you sure you want to discard all these changes? Yes, discard. I don't want them. Once you're happy with what you've uploaded, you can just hit save. And voila, here you go. You've just uploaded a profile picture.